What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are here at Burton meet number 2. I'm really out of focus. Hopefully this is just as much fun as the last one. A lot of police got called. Somebody as well who's definitely watching this has got a section 59 from the show. Hopefully there's more people getting arrested. I'd like to see somebody die. Do you think that'd be pretty awesome? I think you can only say it's a good meet if somebody dies. Wow, this place is Ramarinoed. There's a lot more cars here than the ones last time, don't you think? Police already. Just here, shout out police. Got a dog as well. Now if you watch some of my other videos, you'll actually know this car. 370Z. I believe it's the Nismo model, I'm not too sure. Blow me a fat cloud. Biggest cloud ever. Why are you being like that for? Because you didn't put me on it. He's just grumpy because I didn't put him in the leaving clips, that was all. I missed you. I'm sorry. How can you say I had it popping and banging for ages in the video?
Yeah, he did, to be fair. Yeah, he did.
See, I'm a nice guy, I make up for it. Oh, thanks. Just like last time, boys, we got a variety of cars. We got Rat Bastard Crew over there. We've got Fiesta with pink lights. That's not Fiesta, that's a Ford Focus with pink lights. We've got a Yaris. We've got an Audi.
What do you reckon to these?
We have LEDs in all sorts of places. Yo, shout out. Subscribe while you're at it, JoshsPOV.
Why is this all the way back here? Look at it!
Oh, it's your car. Oh, okay. That's pissed me off a little bit. Matt has just installed coilovers. The cheapest coilovers money can buy. And now he's like judging everybody now on how low people are. So let's get in there, dude. Let's
see, one finger. Just not fit.
Yeah, but there's all that. There's all
yeah, we don't need
there's loads.
That. That's fine. It's fine, yeah.
Alright.
It's very low.
Very low.
Scrapes every time.
We actually turned up late to the meet, so we're here a little bit later on, but there's still people turning up. We've got a few minutes there. Whoa.
There is a coffee machine in a booth.
In a...
Oh my god.
Oh my god. See, that's low. That beats yours every time, bro. Oh my god. So that's a supercharged M5. Wow. Yo, we've got your people carriers here. They were just there doing their shopping. Now they're leaving. Oh my god, that car scares me.
We've even got people on site to guide them out.
Oh, what's going on, boys? Oh, hey.
Crash?
Oh my god. Oh, who's this guy? Say.
Am I going to be famous now on YouTube? Eh?
Yeah, shout out your Instagram, bro. Gosh.
Wait, they're not in that car.
What's
See over there, the dad is teaching the daughter how to drive. Pull out her 4x4.
I don't understand. What's he doing? He's like, you just pull into them. Just drive into them.
So the cabin crew like the starting thing on the aeroplane, like, that's in your seat.
Like shouting, you got your seatbelt on. Could you give it a little rev for the boys? Oh yes. Oh, JDM boy. Nice chaser. Another chaser for the boys. Yo, shout out Rat Bastard Crew. Yo, we got the Rat Bastard Crew in the house. Yo, they Fossen wheels, dude.
Mate, look at the filler cap in the light.
Yo, sweet. Oh. Yo, when all the YouTube money comes in, I'm going to buy everyone a Lamborghini. And then this whole car park is just going to be full of Lamborghinis.
What, fucking RC cars in your YouTube?
Why are we like that for?
Well, because we're not growing, we're standing still. The uploads are not regular.
Yo, this guy's a hater, bro. This guy's a hater. Yo, unsubscribe, mate. Go away. You're not part of the gang, bro.
You lose about 100 subs if I unsubscribe.
Look at that rat.
Why?
Oh my god. Look at that. Daddy. Oh my Jesus. Just knock on the window. Just
Knock on the window and be like,
excuse me.
roll it down, vape inside, and then you'll know what's going on. It's alright, mate?
Just like bang it against the window.
If you're a pregnant woman, you can piss in a policeman's hat.
Yeah.
Not sticking that in the video, are you?
Yeah, but if there's nowhere else to go, yeah, I'm staying in a bit. It's weird that you would know that. Like, I know that, but I saw a policeman and I just thought, oh, there's a policeman, and then he's like, dude, you can piss in the hat.
Mate, random fact.
We're not pregnant though. You can't get pregnant.
And your girlfriend is pregnant, just say to him, she needs to piss, rob the hat, you do it yourself. Do you know what I mean?
That's true.
Instant clout!
Oh, yo, oh my god. Oh my god. Half the wheel is in there, bro. Yo, and I got M2 next to it as well. You know he drifts this, bro. Oh my god. Yo, has he got his student ID just hanging up the hair?
Where does he study?
Where does it say?
South Derbyshire.
Yo, shout out South Derbyshire.
Burton and South Derbyshire.
The guy owns this, I know he's watching this video. We're going to be doing a review on this. 400 horsepower. 400 horsepower. I don't want to show you guys too much of this because I'm going to be doing a review on this. He's going to go through absolutely everything he's done to the car, but just a satin blue wrap as well just looks... Oh! Don't show him, dude. I've got to wait for the video. Don't show him. These are all, they're all left-hand drive. Dubai plates. Dubai plate, Dubai plate, Dubai plate.
Only took them like 2 hours to get down here.
Yo, they must have drove pretty quick to meet this. Hey! Hey! Right, this is the winner. This is the winner.
That's fine.
She just touched your bottle?
She just touched my butt.
Yo, don't tell your girlfriend.
Oh,
don't tell your girlfriend.
She says she didn't mean to.
Yeah, I'm sure she did, yeah.
Spread out of 76 bill, mate.
Woo! Why is it learner? Oh my god. Oh, that's the guy that's with his mum.
Oh, look, he's got his mum in the car.
Is that his mum?
Mum and his sister, mate, that's what it is.
Hi. Subscribe to my channel.
Mum, can I go to the shopping centre? Why? I just want to pick up a couple of bits.
Mum, can we go to this car meet? Oh, all clutch. All clutch. That's the guy that's with his mum. Yeah, I'm willing to pray. As long as I get a good angle of it, mate, I don't really care if I die. Oh my god. Oh gee. GTR for So guys, from that last clip, you actually saw the police. The police were stopping people from coming in, and the police were stopping people from leaving, like doing mad burnouts and stuff. But they're not going to be any kind of like leaving clips or anything like that, because they just couldn't. Yeah, the police were literally controlling people from coming in and out. Bit of a bummer really. If you guys actually came to this meet, it's the fact that it's so cold and the police are here, I don't know, it's just a bit of a bummer. I know that police have to be here sometimes, but to be literally stopping people from doing stuff and stopping people from coming in, it's a bit silly. But more content on the TT coming out as well, so stay tuned for that. I've got 3 videos this week. Oh my god, this will be the 4th video this weekend that I've recorded, so yeah, stay tuned for them. I know you definitely want them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I've been Josh, and that was my POV. Peace out.
Say you wanna get away, we don't need a plane, I could be your escape. Take you to a place where there's no